Okay, well, this is just a quick, I don't know if you call it a tutorial, but I needed to grease my plow. I have a Fisher Extreme V, and it's the same as the Western for the most part. But I think Bosses also have these, but maybe they have Zerks, I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to grease this center axle because all I'd been using was some light lubrication. And I found this item at Northern Tool. I think you can get it online or maybe Harbor Freight. But basically it's just got a Zerk in here, and you just attach it to your grease gun. I happen to have a DeWalt grease gun, so I'm just gonna shoot these in here, see how this goes. I need both my hands to do this, so anyway. There. So as you can see, I did the bottom couple, then I figured I'd make a quick vid. And this is what it looks like. Okay. There's that one. And that one. And not sure what's going on up here, but I'm sure it could use a little grease. And I'll check around the back side. I'll check the manual. I'm sure there's a couple other spots. Maybe have a Zerk, but just wanted to throw that out there. So yeah, Harbor Freight, pick one up. They're cheap, and everything needs a little juice once in a while.